Gamification in Learning and Instruction by Eamon and Warbin Hamdane. Introduction. Methods of learning have changed over the decades. Various models, designs, and theories were made to cope with the technological advances. For example, ADDIE model. Theory improvements were made in an iterative process. For example, Bloom's taxonomy and situated cognition theory. Advancement of education is fast, yet inclusive. As example, try innovative, integrative, individualized curriculum for mainstreaming and leap learning experiences. An alternative program for preschoolers and parents designed for children with special needs. Therefore, there must be a theory or method to improve learning process to cope with increasingly high demands of technological development. Gamification. Gamification as a learning theory. Gamification has been used in various industries for learning and instruction for years. One such example was when gamification used for learning second language Figaro et al. 2015. The definition of gamification is the use of game design elements in non-game contexts, Deterding et al. 2011. Or the use of only certain kinds of game design elements in a non-game context. The main function of game is for entertainment purposes. Motivation derived from gamification to other motivational theories and models in terms of its effectiveness, Ditchev et al. 2014. Gamification has been proposed as a learning theory by comparing several existing learning theory approach, Biro, 2014. In this fifth theory of learning, there were three main cores of gamification as a learning theory. 1. Implies the importance of visual dimensions in learning process. 2. The capability to handle diversified learning paths. 3. Community-based evaluation system and reinforcement. Keep in mind that no matter how many game elements are used to develop a theory, model, or system based on gamification, if the framework does not attract users by implementing the idea of fun, it will be very hard to classify the gamification as a success. Ditchev et al. 2014. Relationship and impact. Emphasized on the importance of interactive design when implementing gamification in any educational framework. In this particular topic, it was decided that the framework that will be used as comparison aspect in human-computer interaction was the 5-dimension of interaction design, developed by Interaction Design Foundation. From the table shown, there is a correlation between dimensions of interaction design, with the utilization of game elements on any gamification theories, models, and frameworks. It shows the importance of developing a proper interaction design for gamification in learning and instruction. For example, on gamification learning theory, we can postulate that on each core stated, they can be classified into different dimensions of interaction design. When developing a gamification in learning and interaction, there needs to be a proper way to convey the information necessary to users. This implies that when the interaction design framework is effective, then the gamification should work. Impact. From the positive aspect of gamification, it is helpful in learning second language based on feedbacks and game elements used. Figaro et al. 2015. In technical higher education, there is an increase in students' interest in subject matter taught. Ojip and Ipimar, 2014. It also serves as a motivation that gives great positive impact on student emotion and social interaction when utilized in e-learning platform. Dominguez et al. 2013. When gamification is implemented in Gamicade, users that uses gamified system produced significantly faster test task completion times. Lee, Grossman and Fitzmaurice, 2012. The negative aspect of gamification are, some students dislike the oversaturation of competitions caused by some of game elements introduced, such as leaderboards. Dominguez et al. 2013. Gamification also affect misrepresentation of the level of knowledge on some users of the platform. Dominguez et al. 2013. Conclusion. Interaction design plays a big role on gamification in learning and instruction. In general perspective, gamification has a positive effect on learning and instruction. It serves as a motivation to students to learn the subject material and to breed competitions within the class. However, competition may have an opposite impact on the student's motivation when there is an oversaturation. Game elements used do not represent the knowledge level of the students accurately. From a design perspective, interaction design can affect the effectiveness of gamification of learning and instruction. Future research suggestion. The effects of gamification in education across multiple courses and subjects. Comparison of techniques or approaches used when applying gamification.